Oh, hi there, everyone. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl, Norleen. And today I will be doing another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. Now, have you ever had fish served in vinaigrette sauce? And you might be wondering, what am I having? It is Escovitch fish. Escovitch fish is a traditional Jamaican dish that is served all over Jamaica. This dish pays homage to our Spanish influence. Now, the size of your fish is up to your delight. The cut of the fish, it doesn't really matter. It makes an interesting dish. I encourage you to like my video. I ask you, please subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the section below. Tell me your thoughts about this video or share with me what other Jamaican dish you'd like to see me prepare. Please share this video with your friends. Tell them that something positive is going on inside of the end. Now, my community project is still on hold. COVID has caused everybody to social distance. But very soon, you will be meeting the children, which I will be supporting. Peas and the coconut milk, I will add a spoonful of green season. And you can watch my previous videos and you will see what I put in my green season, or simple check the description box and you will see. To the peas, I have added the coconut milk. I've added a spoon and a half of green blended season. This is what the green season looks like. And to save time, when I am doing my green season, I'll just do an entire jar of green season and put it in the fridge so that I can have it when I need it. It's another time-saving technique that you can use in your. Next, I will add green onion, thyme, Maggi cube, some allspice or pimento seed, and the good old Scotch bonnet pepper. I would put the Scotch bonnet pepper whole because I want the flavor from the pepper and not too much of the spice. I have the snapper. It has already been cut, clean, and seasoned. It's a blended season I put onto it with garlic, salt, onion powder, and of course my all-purpose and Maggi season. So I dry the fish to remove any moisture from it and then reduce the chance of me getting burned. I would place the fish in the frying pan on the flat side down, and that is because to do the Escovitch fish, I want the fish to be cooked thoroughly on the inside, so I have to put them down. Basically what I'm using here is a large snapper. It was about 1.5 pounds of snapper. So from it, I got 6 slices. Dry them first, then I put them into the oil to be fried. So I have washed 1.5 cups of rice. To do the rice and peas, I will add it to the peas and coconut that was already. To save time in the kitchen, cook my peas in large batches, and then I put them in serving size in Ziploc bags and I store it in the refrigerator. In the pot, I've already added the coconut milk, the peas, the seasoning that I use, and okay, I have added a tablespoon of butter to the rice and peas, and I will put the flame on medium and allow it to steam. Take the sauce for the Escovitch fish or the pickle. In the pot I have chocho, I have sliced carrot, and if you notice they're sliced elongated, and ginger root and garlic. I'm just sauteing this for about 5 minutes. I'm lowering the flame. Add onion, allspice, red and green pepper to the vegetables. There it is. The onions nice and ringed with the bell peppers. This looks good and it smells awesome. I will turn up the flame. And vinegar. So I will put the water and vinegar in, and I'm going to put a 1/3 cup of sugar. The sugar softens the strong acidic taste of the vinegar. So 5 to 10 minutes and the vinegar pickle will be ready. The pickle is ready and I remove it from the flame. To do the Escovitch fish, I will layer the pickle onto the fish. So I'm going to put a layer to the bottom with some nice vinaigrette sauce. Is nice and soft. Then I will add another layer of pickle sauce to it. After an hour, this is what the Escovitch fish looks like. If you notice, the steam are to the side and it's already looking good. It will taste absolutely delicious. If you notice, the fish is nice and firm still, but it is nice and soft. That is good.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen.